This is a female pelvis. These are the ovaries, well, one ovary. The ovarian ligament would be this back one. The ovarian artery and vein is really not seen in this model, but it might be. Those would be the veins, and this would be the artery. The uterine tubes. This is the uterine tube, also known as a fallopian tube. The uterine part would be on this point. The isthmus would be in this groove. The ampulla would be this bump up here. The infundibulum is this section. And the fimbriae would be this. Now the uterus. The uterus is this whole section, and also this is the uterus. The uterus fundus is this top portion, so when taking it off, this is the fundus. The uterine body is the center of the uterus. The uterine isthmus is the same thing as the internal os, which is right here in this section. The uterine cervix is the bottom portion of the uterus, which is this right here. The cervical canal is this. The external os is right here. The vagina fornix is this recess right here. The round ligament would be this ligament on this side, coming from the top of the uterus. And the uterosacral ligament is not on this model, but it would be from the back on this side. So the uterine wall of the uterus contains the endometrium, which is this inner layer, and then the myometrium is the outer layer. The rectouterine pouch would be this portion here. The vesicouterine pouch is this section here. The external genitalia contains the clitoris, which is this little bulb here. Labia majora is the bigger majora, and this is labia minora. And the urethral orifice is the beginning of the urethra.